Hi, welcome to Safwat Cars. Thank you for looking at our Lotus Emira. My name's Sharif. I will show you around the car. So this is it, 2024 Lotus Emira First Edition. This is the 2-litre version, automatic. The car has done 4,800 miles. It was originally sold as a pre-registered car, so delivery mileage. So although it will show 2 owners on the logbook, it's actually only really had 1 owner. Finished in shadow grey with a tan interior. It's got a couple of little changes to it over a standard. It's been fitted with the CT Carbon Full Body Kit, which consists of the front splitter, the rear diffuser, rear spoiler and side skirts. I'll show you them in more detail in a second. The car's in excellent condition. It's had its first service at Lotus, so still covered by warranty as well until 2027. The car came into us, it didn't need any work, it's all been very well looked after. We haven't had to do any cosmetic prep to it at all, just a clean and a service at Lotus. As you can see, the bonnet's all nice, no chipping, no marks. One of the other changes it's had is the previous owner has changed the yellow badges to black. I think they suit the car, but they're easily changed back if you prefer the traditional yellow Lotus badges. The wheel centres have been changed as well. Here you can see the front CT Carbon front splitter. And when you have a look down the side of the car, you can see there's no dings, no dents. It's all in lovely condition. Alloys are unmarked. It's running the Goodyear tyres. Here you can see the carbon side skirts. Another alloy unmarked. Show you around the back. I particularly like the carbon rear diffuser. I think it gives it a really good look from the rear, especially with the twin exhausts. And then that's complemented by the rear spoiler. Final wheel. There you go. Let me show you the interior. So this has got the tan leather, which I think complements the grey quite nicely. So open her up. So you've got the 2-tone door panels. I really do like the KEF speakers in here. They just look great. Electric memory seats. You can see more of the carbon seal here. Seats are in really nice condition, as you'd expect with only having done 4,800 miles. No wear on the bolsters. All as it should be. Flat bottom multi-function steering wheel. Lotus have really upped their game with interiors. Nice leather dash. I quite like that little first edition emblem. Just show you around the other side. Emira mats, and I'll just show you under the boot as well. which you can unlock with the key. Engine cover. It's not a bad size boot for the type of car it is. Bit of spare oil from the service it's just had at Lotus. So that's it. The car is ready to drive away. As with all our cars, you can come down the same day, pay and drive away. You can have it delivered to your door. We offer finance, part exchange. Finance rates start from 8.9% APR, and there's a finance calculator on our website. The link will be below. You can apply online. Everything's very easy and straightforward to do. If you want any more information on the car, please get in touch. Car's on site. Let us know what you think.